This 2013 Chrysler 200 is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chrysler is powered by Renault front-wheel drive automatic transmission, gas V6 3.6L twin engine, and has 117,758 miles. Drive away in style. 2013 Chrysler 200. Reliable, affordable, and ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.